Okay folks, here's one now. It was written by a man who was known for his military genius in the 1600s. And he wrote such a tender and popular love poem. His name was James Graham, the Marquis of Montrose. It recently won through to the BBC shortlist for our nation's favourite Scottish poem, rubbing shoulders with Robert Louis Stevenson and Robert Burns. Here we go. My dear and only love. 2 seconds. Dry throat, you can. Right. My dear and only love, I pray this noble world of thee be governed by no other sway but purest monarchy. For if confusion have a part which virtuous souls abhor, and hold a synod in thy heart, I'll never love thee more. Like Alexander I will reign, and I will reign alone. My thoughts shall evermore disdain a rival on my throne. He either fears his fate too much, or his deserts are small. That puts it not unto the touch, to win and lose it all. But I must rule and govern still, and always give the law, and have each subject at my will, and all to stand in awe. But gainst my battery if I find thou shunn'st the prize so sore, as that thou sett'st me up a blind, I'll never love thee more. Or in the empire of thy heart, where I should solely be, an hour do pretend apart, and dares vie with me. Or if committees thou erect, and go on such a score, I'll sing and laugh at thy neglect, and never love thee more. But if thou wilt be constant then, and faithful of thy word, I'll make thee glorious by my pen, and famous by my sword. I'll serve thee in such noble ways was never heard before. I'll crown and deck thee with all the bays, and love thee evermore. Okay folks, crazy coming up, the preview clip. I advise you to go back and check the other poem, it's quite a good one. More Scots in it, so it's probably got more requests for translations, as this was pretty much written in English. Okay, here comes the preview, now.
Every weekend on Saturn, from Saturn Day, usually on Saturn to Sunday, which are their stupid gods, their fallen angels, they seem to be murdering or train wrecking something like Whitney Houston, Michael Jackson, Jack Layton. Those are all celebrations done to Saturn on Saturday. New. Lots is new. I just haven't been on the TV because I've just been doing other things. That's Romeo. New. Romeo #2 after Lilith Sangrelian killed the first one with her aquamarine crystal last year on